Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to find your personal style, and I feel like this is something everyone struggles with at some point in their life, whether, I don't know, your style feels like it's changing a little bit, or you just can't find like a true thing which you can go to and you know is going to suit you and suit your personality and works for your everyday lifestyle. So I thought I'd make this video on how to kind of help you get back on track and find your own personal style. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get straight into it. So tip number one is to create a mood board. Now you can do a physical mood board, or if you're not very creative, you could do kind of a Pinterest board, or even kind of organize photos that you've saved on Instagram, or even just put it on a Word document. You just want somewhere where you can put all of your inspiration and things you like in one place. So don't feel like you just have to add kind of clothes into this mood board either. You can add interior design inspiration, different textures, different color combinations, even different kind of paints and stuff. And I know you're probably thinking, why would I add interior design into kind of like a style, a personal kind of outfit style mood board? And that's because you get inspiration from anywhere. So you might particularly like a certain kind of wall color with leather maybe, and that's something you can incorporate into your wardrobe, because you could look for, you know, a certain color top which is maybe the color of that wall, for example, and wear it with your leather skirt. So there's different ways you can kind of pull inspiration from different places, such as interiors or different textures, or even just color wheels. I think they're really great because they give you inspiration on what colors go together. So when you're putting your outfits together, you know, like a bit of a plum color would go with this color, or things like that. So yeah, don't be afraid to add different things into your mood board, because this is just going to be a combination of everything you like. So as you can see on my Pinterest, I've just got such a random combination of things, like different colors I like together. So for example, on this one, it just shows navy with kind of like a plummy pink color, and I really like that color combination, and maybe that's something that I can incorporate into my wardrobe when I'm putting outfits together. Even things just like this, which just shows you, I mean that doesn't show up very well, but it just shows you different colors that you can put together again, and also just some style inspiration from online anyway. And I just think it's really good because, especially when everything's all gathered up together, you can easily pick out certain things. So for example, you might notice you've saved a lot of patterns, maybe floral prints, so you know that's the sort of thing that you are drawn to without even realizing it. So maybe the floral print will be part of your personal style, or I don't know, anything like that. It's just a good way to kind of identify those things without it getting kind of made up from external sources. These are all things that you genuinely like yourself. So tip number two is to find your signature pieces, and these can be things which you are drawn to all the time, that you wear regularly in your wardrobe, and also that you feel really comfortable in too. So for example, I really like mum jeans, especially ripped jeans, so that's something that is my signature style. Or maybe check shirts. I really love check shirts and I wear them all the time, so that's another thing which I'm really drawn to. So yeah, you just want to identify what your signature pieces are and ask yourself why they are your signature pieces. So maybe you particularly like a certain kind of skirt because it fits you really well, it finishes at the perfect point. Maybe it's the color or what it's made out of. You just really need to kind of think about what it is that you really like about those items, and then when you're shopping for new stuff or whatever, you know what to look for and you know what's going to suit you. Because a lot of the times we buy things from the shop and then we don't actually end up wearing them because maybe they looked great at the time, but actually you wouldn't really know what to style it with, or it just isn't your style, or it's not very comfortable because you didn't get the right size, anything like that. So you really want to identify what it is that you like, ask yourself why, write it down maybe, and then you'll know when you go shopping next time. Which then leads me on to the next step, which is find the things you don't like in your wardrobe or even kind of online shopping, and ask yourself why you don't like those items. So again, maybe the fit isn't quite right on you, or you don't like leather on you, or maybe you just don't feel comfortable in something if it's really overdressed or very underdressed. You just really need to identify what it is you don't like, because sometimes when we pick out the things we don't like, it actually makes us realize what we really do like and what really does suit us. And again, again, next time you go shopping, if you see something that's in floral print and you think, oh, I love that, but you realize the cut maybe hasn't worked for you in the past, then you'll know, okay, I really love that, but maybe I should just leave it there because I know I'm gonna probably waste my money on this and I'm not gonna end up wearing it or incorporating it in my wardrobe. And I think personal style is really about honing in on what you really like, what really works for you, and that you can wear these pieces again and again, and you're not just buying stuff and accumulating it and not wearing it. So the next step is to try and find people's style that you like. So celebrity style is a really good way of doing this, just because there's a lot of photos of them online, and usually they have personal stylists, so you know you can kind of look at that outfit. And if you have a similar body shape, that it's going to work for you too, because they've spent so much time and money putting this image together that you'll know, okay, that's clearly going to work for me if I also have a pear shape too. So when you're looking for celebrity style that you like, don't worry if you don't like all of the pieces that they wear. Maybe you liked a certain outfit from a certain event or a certain paparazzi photo. Just kind of, again, put that into a mood board, or just take a mental note or screenshot it on your phone, create a folder on your phone. Just kind of look back and think, oh, maybe I could recreate that outfit today because I have a similar skirt, or maybe I could buy a pair of joggers and wear it with a crop top because I really liked how that looked. And also I would be able to wear that in an everyday situation. One thing to not get too carried away with is when you're looking at celebrity style, obviously they've been styled in a certain way to make them look like a celebrity, and usually they'll be very honed in on their style. Like for example, when you think of Ariana Grande, I immediately think of the really knee-high boots and the oversized sweatshirts. I really liked that look, and her stylist has probably put that together to give her that kind of celebrity look, so that when you think of her, you think of those outfits and that particular style. But don't feel like you have to have a kind of signature style like that as such, because it really needs to work into your wardrobe that you know you can wear every day and that you feel comfortable in, because that might be a great outfit for you to recreate on a night out. But if you feel like you'd feel a bit self-conscious wearing that out just going shopping, for example, then maybe recreating that outfit wouldn't be so great for that situation. So what I'm trying to say is just take little bits of inspiration from each outfit and try and incorporate those things in your wardrobe if you particularly like their style. And let's say you really like Kim Kardashian's style, you'll know that you can keep going back online and just seeing what she's been wearing every now and again and just get some inspiration that way. So this next step really makes your life so much easier. So give yourself a uniform. And what I mean by uniform is not a literal uniform like, I don't know, overalls or something. I mean, give yourself an outfit which you know will work for you every single time, that you feel comfortable in, that, you know, you just know it works for you. So for example, this could be something as basic as a pair of leggings, an oversized t-shirt and a denim jacket. You know, if you just don't know what to wear in the morning, you could put those items together and you know that you'd feel happy in it and that it suits you and everything. So it's really good to kind of give yourself a signature look, just so you can go back to it each time if you're stuck and you just don't know what else to wear. So as I just said, for me that would be a pair of leggings, a t-shirt and a denim jacket. That's something I absolutely love. I feel really comfortable in it. I feel like I could wear it to most occasions, obviously nothing too fancy or anything like that, but just going shopping on a weekend, that outfit would just be such an easy go-to for me. And the final step is to try not and fit into a category. So what I mean by that is, don't feel like you have to fit into a certain style, like, I don't know, a gothic style or a Visco girl style. Just dress how you truly want to dress, what you feel comfortable in, you know, confident in, and that flatters you. Don't feel like you have to dress a certain way to fit in with a certain group of people or anything like that. You just need to wear what you truly like. And when you're happy in what you're wearing, it definitely comes across and you look and feel a lot more confident. So don't try and put too much pressure on yourself to get a certain look or achieve a certain kind of style, because really everyone's kind of winging it anyway. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you. I really like making videos that help you out. So if you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comments or send me a message on Instagram, and I will try and make another video kind of like this, because honestly there's nothing better than reading your comments and saying thank you so much, you know, I really appreciated the video and stuff like that. So yeah, have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because it would be returning the favour, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.